Dear ardent students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you something very magical and mysterious, and that will give you immense pleasure, academic bliss. Be blissful and attentive and inspired to know what I am teaching you now. Here I have written how to enlarge sentences. Suppose a small sentence is there, you have to enlarge it and you can make it a larger one. You can call it expansion of sentences. And also here I have given you some syntactical rules. You will have sufficient knowledge on syntax also. First write down, suppose eat. I ate what? Rice. One. I eat with whom? I eat with whom? With my mother. I eat when? At night. I eat where? At home. I eat how? Happily. So you see one thing. Suppose this is your smaller sentence. Again I am telling you. First ask question what? Suppose here you write down rice. What rice? With whom? With my mother. When? At night. Where? At home. And how did you eat? How? Happily. So, a small sentence that is subject verb, you can expand it a longer one. Whenever you will have any conversation, you will feel it easier to communicate with others, and also you will be able to write well in the examination in order to secure good marks. Now I am also writing another sentence. I eat your transitive verb. Now let us start with intransitive verb. He went dash. Number one, where? To Kotak. Number two, when? Yesterday. How? By boss. Number four, why? To meet the officer. Once again I am telling this is a short sentence. He went intransitive verb. He went where? To Kotak. When? Yesterday. How? By boss. Why? To meet the officer. So you just let it write down. Then okay. Now let's learn pattern. S plus B, subject plus verb, that is I ate. SVO, subject plus verb plus object, I eat rice. Then subject plus verb plus object, I gave him money. Here him, indirect object. Pen, direct object. SBC, he is tall. SBOC, subject plus verb plus object plus complement, I call him idiot. So here I can teach you two things. There are two types of complement, subject complement, object complement. So let us learn it. He is tall. Dash is tall. Here is the subject. He is dash. After is, remember, always comes complement. So this is your subject complement. Whatever comes after is your call your subject complement. You write down. Then I am also teaching you something more specifically, and you will be interested to know much more things. It will enhance your inspiration and enthusiasm. S plus B. Suppose I have given you the first sentence. I eat. You are asked to find out the pattern. Simply write down S plus B. It is written, what I have written, I eat rice. You write down S plus B plus O. And remember, this is your transitive verb because it has an object. Transitive means passing over. So you can see after it there is no hindrance, no obstacle. The action passes over to rice. You can pacify the sentence, rice is eaten. So the verb in the sentence which can be pacified in that verb is called your transitive verb, rice is eaten. So my main intention is to know the pattern. If you know the pattern, you can communicate with the others well, you can write correct sentences, you can speak with your friends and relatives, you can develop knowledge in spoken English. This expansion and also simultaneously what I told you, pattern is much more important for the students to know much more things. You please learn this and give me your suggestions, and so that what will happen, I will just try to modify it for the enhancement of knowledge. If you like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you, much as gracious.